remember with thief no funds. Come on a call white boy till Jesus come. I'm on myself in a fault, I know your boy.
Man say I call a white skull till Jesus come. Pull up this. Pull up this. Alright, yo, before we go no further, I want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, remember, we have a PS5 giving away. And if I mention this PS5 one more time, I'm gonna go crazy. But anyway, Skippa Dan make a new song, new video. It's called One Daddy Badness for Life. If you guys don't know who that is, that's the Spanish town Dan who police did Nakwe a couple days ago. So, it looks like they are affiliated. Skippa Dan and One Daddy Badness look like they're affiliated or in some way, shape, or form. And also, artists can also just make songs because they more, you know, seem like them and the Dan them disconnected. But anyway, we're not going to assume that. So let's get into the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
One daddy program, man, up no children, bunks.
The judge on the carrying just for me.
Before the song even start, this is a brave step by Skippa still, you see me? Cause you don't know who might after that done there, or who might after him and his affiliated members. You know, it kind of bold, but some man no business, cause Skippa done a real bad man.
Oh, I've got demons in my closet. I try my best not to think about it. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Nobody worry about me, just not making profit. I know I'm gone, I'm on. I get the riches, but I'm gone in my soul. Locked down in the book, my skull, I call on my phone. Call on my phone. These are the things I love. Not just nobody, just elite and drugs. Music can stay, remember with thief no funds. Come on a call white boy till Jesus come. I'm on myself in a fault, I know your boy.
Man say I call a white skull till Jesus come. Pull up this. Pull up this. Pull up this. Come again. Come again.
One daddy program, man, up no children, bunks.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and whoever did this video, bro, phenomenal job, cause this shit is clear as day and beautiful as hell. Color grading, lighting, everything is freaking great.
The judge on the carrying just for me. Oh, I've got demons in my closet. I try my best not to think about it. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Nobody worry about me, just not making profit. I know I'm gone, I'm on. I get the riches, but I'm gone in my soul. Locked down in the book, my skull, I call on my phone. Call on my phone. These are the things I love. Not just nobody, just elite and drugs. Music can stay, remember with thief no funds. Come on a call white boy till Jesus come. I'm on myself in a fault, I know your boy have to prosper. I love a cigarette, nobody tell me about cancer. One stop, just then me push it in my way down. One call daddy.
Boom, 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 big up one stop. Big up one stop. Good youth.
Phone and him just pick up and answer. I'm still grinding all on my own. I put my pen in my song. Just make it follow me. The judge make your rain just follow me. Grinding all on my own. Put my pen in my songs. Follow me. The judge make your rain just follow me. That you know the body's kind. Nothing to change, I still daddy ties. Pen capture and back, bushy cake, clip still pen. You all come on up down where you feel children. I'm sorry, say you could've see it and dodgy. But stop cry, I just eat my carry. Could've wait, figure turn it on a cheap or Larry. Feel like I want to kill somebody. These are the things I love. Not just nobody, just elite and drugs. Music can stay, remember with thief no funds. Come on a call white boy till Jesus come. I'm on myself in a fault, I know your boy have to prosper. I love a cigarette, nobody tell me about cancer. One stop, just then me push it in my way down. One call daddy phone and him just pick up and answer. Oh, I've got demons in my closet. I try my best not to think about it. Yeah, And I'm just being honest. Nobody worry about me, just not making profit. I know I'm gone, I'm on. I get the riches, but I'm gone in my soul. Locked down in the book, my skull, I call on my phone. Call on my phone. These are the things I love. Not just nobody, just elite and drugs. Music can stay, remember with teeth, no funds. Come on, I call white boy till Jesus come.
Alright, so that's the video. Now, the video and the song is pretty much telling you that, one, in putting pain and sorrow in our music presented to us, the viewers. Yeah, like we are the consumers, pretty much. And it's pretty much just paying homage to Daddy One Badness and also One Stock. If you guys don't know who One Stock is, he was a famous TikToker that passed away in a car crash. Let them soul rest in peace. Both Daddy One Badness are my name. One Daddy Badness. Yes. Let them soul rest in peace. I never know of One Daddy Badness. I never know him. Never knew him. But I've seen One Stock because One Stock had a, was it a B32 or some shit like that? It's like some BMW car. As me. No, I know it was a BMW. I don't know which BMW specifically. But it's pretty much just paying homage to those people who passed away, and obviously you can tell they were friends. So the song is pretty much just telling you, say, yo, at one point him saying just feel like he want to kill somebody. So like him saying he want to turn it on a police car, they want just kill somebody. You see me? But Skippa is a great artist. Like I said in the beginning, this is a bold step to actually do, you know, knowing that he's a Dan, and you might never know who will actually have time, and they might come take, you know, can't catch quack shot, you know what I mean? But regardless of that, it was a good song. I give the song a 10 out of 10. Skippa is one of them youth that were talented youth. I love why dog just humble. In the mix up in the nothing, in the crowd, in the mix, in the bag of foolishness. It's a man like him there over one far place by himself, bro. You see me? So yeah, I love that about Skippa. You see me? So like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.